Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video on GoDaddy website. First, log into your account, and once in, on the top right, go and click on your name. Then, go to your product section. Here, you'll have an access to your websites, so go ahead and click on the one where you want to add the YouTube video. Now, once inside, go and click on Edit Website. Once inside the editor, scroll down to the part where you want to add the video and go and click on this Add section. Now, from these options, go to Audio and Video, then choose Video from the options. Now in here, you'll have different templates that you can choose from. So just go ahead and select the one that you'd like to have. Now, what you need here is the video URL of your YouTube video that you want to add. So now, go to YouTube. Here, you can go ahead and select on the one that you want to add and click on these three dots or click on the share button. And here, just go ahead and share it. Now, you'll have a link for it, so just go and copy that. Go back to your GoDaddy website. Then, paste that link under the video URL. And there you have it. It will automatically be added to your GoDaddy website. And that's just basically it. That's how you embed a YouTube video to your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.